was awesome. I'm gonna guess you just called him.
Yeah.
Is he here?
He ain't answered.
Oh.
You start taking care of business, and you get good work. I mean, I've been a mechanic all my life. I've made good money, but I spent a lot of money too. That was stupid. So if you take what you're doing now and you turn that around, you can be good work, good grades, good high school, good college.
He's not really going that fast.
Today it's just qualifying.
Tomorrow's
elimination.
Oh, are we gonna be here tomorrow too?
Built boats like that.
Starbuck.
Starbuck boats.
That's boat number 787. That is White Coaster out of Eagles, California. Let's see how they do here right now. Mark countdown, here we go.
Red boat's gonna win. I've seen one Top Fuel.
Competitionprofits.com, your number one source for hardcore race parts for left. Howard Pam, Motorsports, Wilcorp Engineering. Ben Williams with the Tunnel Rat Racing Crew. Left-hand lane on 9-second index. Let's see how they do here right now. Rest in peace, Bob. George Bob, we love you and miss you. We know you're watching this break, and this is for you, American soldier. Up to the left-hand lane, Jerry Rideout, in The Undertaker, Gross Racing, Valley Funeral Home, all Camp West sponsors. Pop's looking down right now. Mike Lawson, gonna run this boat. Let's see how they do. Here we go. Hot boat coming at you right now.
Here we go.
He's got it fired up in that Honda. 468 cubic inches of GMC power. Randall Dawson out of Canada, California. On in 9 seconds. First round of qualifying. Let's see how he does here right now. There goes the rope. And away he goes.